Hey guys, I am super excited about this video. I am creating some of my favorite Easter gifts. Let's jump right in. Look at this beautiful tulle ribbon. Here I have a very creative Easter egg, which I'm going to start by filling with some chocolate. And we're going to just stack it all the way to the top until we get it completely full. Now for some reason, the chocolate looks like a Ninja Turtle. Is it just me? Moving along. Now I'm going to grab one of my favorite things, which is double-sided sticky adhesive tabs. We're going to put it at the bottom of this egg and stick it in this cute little basket. Look how tiny this basket is. I know, I've never seen anything that small. Here I'm inserting some candy. This candy is to help hold the egg up as well as just have additional treats for this basket. I'm now going to take out this beautiful bright yellow mesh ribbon. I want to start by cutting this ribbon about 20 inches long, and if it's too long we can always cut some off the top. And we're going to be using two different colors for this basket. So here is this beautiful baby blue, and again about 20 inches long. So now that we have both of our ribbons cut, we're going to lay them in a cross position. Let's quickly move the basket out the way and lay down the blue ribbon and place the basket in the middle of both colors. Now I'm going to quickly cut the ribbon that we're going to put on the top of this, and I will be cutting two pieces. Now for the fun part. Let's gently grab all four corners and slightly turn the basket about 3 times. Now when placing the ribbon around the top, you want to leave it a little loose. This will let us fix the mesh bag around the basket and make sure everything is covered. We don't want anything falling out. Now once you have secured all corners and everything looks fine, go ahead and pull the ribbon, the gold ribbon, tightly, and then we can add the second piece. Now ultimately, I like the amount of mesh ribbon that's on the top. It looks very pretty, but I'm going to cut just a little bit off, just to even it out. And there you have our bag and our awesome Easter items inside. Now this is perfect for any classroom or an office setting to give out to everyone. Now here are a few extra tips when making these. I'm going to quickly show you this before we go to part 3 of another gift. For this one, we're going to use purple and pink. Here again is the beautiful ribbon showing all the colors. So this time we can take the tape and place it on the ribbon instead of inside of the basket. And then this way it'll keep the basket more secure inside the bag. And here you have it. Another one. So cute. Alright guys, let's get into the next gift. Now before I get into it, look at this humongous golden egg. I just love it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but let's just put it on the side for now. So here we are with our beautiful candy bags. Now these cups are gorgeous. I love the eyes on them. They're very fun. Kids will love them. So of course we're going to grab our double-sided tape. Now I'm going to put 3 pieces of tape at the bottom of these bags, 2 on one side and 1 on the other. When the bag is open, it'll fit perfectly at the bottom of the cups. And of course, this will allow the bag to not fall out of the cup. How cute is that? I really love the designs and the colors on these cellophane bags. They are very creative and stylish. So here I'm just putting in the second bag in the second cup. And then we're going to quickly do the third one. So here we have all of our cups. And of course, now is the fun part. We get to fill it with some treats. First up, we have these lovely wrist poppers. So we're going to quickly slide them in each bag, followed by some more items. Now here is a little skinny bag, tall skinny bag that we're going to fill with some marshmallows and chocolate. So let's go ahead and quickly add those. Now let's just throw an extra little surprise in there. Why not? These carrot chocolates are gorgeous. Look at them. So here I'm going to try my hardest to color coordinate the ribbons to the bags, or at least the cups. So first we have that pretty red, and then the orange, and then the white. Oh, we also have green. So let's just pick one. And of course we have lollipops that are going to stick through the top because that's an added piece of surprise. And who doesn't like surprises? So let's go ahead and start tying them up before we get into our next gift creation. Once I finally decide on the actual ribbon color, which you can see I've changed 100 times, you want to make sure you tie it nice and tight so the lollipop stays in place. And of course, we're going to curl the ribbon. And there you go. That cup is complete. It does not fall out and it is gorgeous. They can have the treats and then they can have the cup to use at a later date at home. So here, as you can see, I changed the ribbon to blue. Look at this blue lollipop. I mean, look at the details. So gorgeous. Okay, let's quickly finish this up and then we can move on to our final gift creation. Hey guys, we're on our final gift creation, so let's jump right in. Here we have some candy and lots of chocolate. I mean, it is Easter after all. Starting, we have our Sour Patch lollipop that comes with dipping sugar, and then we're going to throw in a few kisses as well as an Easter shaped chocolate. So let's go ahead and quickly fill these, and then we can start on the items. I really love the sizes of these bags as they fit the treats perfectly, and they also come with their own closing. So here we are just closing it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and start opening up the activity. So here we have some silly sand. And they come in different colors and the sizes are perfect. They're small. We don't need too much. Here are the beautiful bags. What I really like about these bags is that no matter what you put in them, they're still small and compact. You see the inside? Okay. Here we have some bunny ears that we're gonna nicely slide in there, and again they fit perfectly. This is the perfect size Easter bag. This will be perfect for giving out gifts or surprises or again to the classroom. So let's go ahead and fill them. Here I'm stuffing in Easter bath bombs. We have our candy bag and of course a pair of Easter shades. And what's really neat about these silly sands is that they're scented. So they come in flavors like strawberry, blueberry, and green apple. So I know the kids will really love those. Here I'm putting in some more of the Peeps Easter bath bombs as well as the pair of shades that have the Easter character on it. That is so fun. And again, all this stuff in the bag is still nice and compact. I love this. Let me know in the comments which of the 3 items I've created in this video you love most. Thanks for watching.